wallet, and it does some things very well. One of them is it's a cross-chain aggregation protocol, so you can pull liquidity. As you can see, you can pull liquidity together from different liquidity sources on different chains, be it on Binance, on Ethereum, Binance, Neo, Wobi. You can actually be able to stake on this platform. So probably very possible for you to do that. You can store and securely manage assets on this chain. So with the 0 wallet, you can easily create a wallet that you can interact with apps on Ethereum or Binance, on the Wobi, Neo, and the rest of them. And then get your news. There's the news unwrap. If you want to get what's happening on the market, you can do staking, liquidity farming, and the rest of them. So there's also the fiat unwrap. That's if you want to buy crypto, the fiat unwrap will be made possible for you to do that. And also there is the token utility. So you might be asking, okay, what is the token used for? So the token utility will be used for a lot of things. One of them is that users can earn the tokens. So if you do product testing or you are involved with community contributions, you can earn part of the token as airdrop. And there is a trade mining profit. So the more you use 0.3 swap, the more you can make money. So if you do a swap or you do staking or you do anything, you can get. If you provision liquidity in the back of the 0.3 exchange from public exchanges and distributed and put to the treasury and give it to every single person. Great, or irrespective of what chain you are, you can pull liquidity from different chains to this network. So that is a brief about this platform. You can create a new wallet if you choose. So I can decide to. So now you have a wallet. So you can interact with any app that you actually want. So that's just a brief about what this protocol does.